So today is our presentation fair for our annual medical student research program. Our students have spent weeks over the summer working with a faculty mentor on their research projects. Today we present those projects with their poster. One, it's a chance to showcase their work, and then also in each category, the winner in that category will receive a prize as well. So it really is a great program to foster research activity, inspire some of the students. They can learn more about how to research, and then also we see some really excellent projects. So it's open to any of our medical students, but typically the medical students participating are the rising second year students. They have the time between their first and second years during the summer to really get involved with the research programs. And we have approximately 40 students participating this year. Research is really what drives ultimately our patient care. It's how we make breakthroughs, it's how we advance in the medical community. For some of our students, it's their first chance to really find out how is it done, where do we start, what are the process to do it. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for our faculty and our students to learn from each other, and like I said, have some really great presentations to boot.